okay, at this moment in time, my phone is paired via Bluetooth to the system in this 2018 Ford Transit. So if we go to Bluetooth, that's it, and then I want to forget device. So I've knocked it off completely. Now, using your charging lead or a USB cable, whatever it is, if you do it on this over here, well, I would have done. Let me see, hopefully I'll still be able to see it from there. So plug that in. It's connected to Apple CarPlay. You have to have the Apple CarPlay app downloaded on your phone, and it has to be switched on to accept. But as you can see there, we've now got SatNav, which we didn't have before, using the phone. Hey Siri, navigate to Grosvenor Garage, Waltleydale.
Getting directions to Grosvenor, Australia.
Now, I didn't say it wasn't foolproof. Hey Siri, navigate to Grosvenor Garage, Preston.
Getting directions to Grosvenor Garage.
That's it. It's as simple as that.
Starting route to Grosvenor Garage. Head west on Tudale Lane.
That's it. You can have the phone on your passenger seat in your pocket, as long as you've got Siri activated. You can navigate like so. It's just so good. Hey Siri, navigate to McDonald's.
One possibility I see is McDonald's on England. Let me know if I should call one of them or get directions for you.
That's it. Also, as I say, if you go to, well, you can bearing in mind you're not allowed to touch your phone when you're driving. That replicates the screen of your phone virtually. So if you go on there, if you click the buttons at the bottom, you've got WhatsApp, Google Maps, Messages, audio books. You can knock it back to Ford Sync there. Let me just see, what was I going to do then? Let's say music. On music, if I turn that, so you're playing your music through the cable. It's not synced via Bluetooth. That's just via the cable. Apple CarPlay, great system. It really is a great system. All this at the bottom is basically redundant. You don't need that anymore. All you need is that socket, and you can just tell it what to do. It's just hey Siri, play the Eagles.
The Eagles now playing.
Hey Siri, play Hotel California.
Now playing Hotel California by Eagles.
You don't need to do anything as long as you've got the cable attached to your phone. Great system. I really hope all the manufacturers do away with all this gubbins they charge you for, all their sat-nav gear, which is out of date and obsolete in 12-18 months, and then you're driving around in a car with an old sat-nav, whereas you're updating your phone all the time, upgrading your phone all the time, and the phone operating system and the sat-nav is being updated all the time. That's waste of money. Every car that's out these days with audio equipment in, what a massive waste of money. Imagine what we could do with all that. See you in the next video. Thank you.